What if one simple golden powder could protect your plants and keep them growing strong using it just once a month? Sounds surprising, right? But this natural ingredient works quietly to improve your soil and fight pests at the same time. Today, I'll show you an easy way to use turmeric for healthier plants and natural protection. First, for prevention, take a small pinch of turmeric powder and sprinkle it around the base of your plant. Then gently mix it into the top layer of soil. Turmeric has natural antibacterial and antifungal properties that help protect roots from harmful microbes and keep your soil healthy. Use this method once a month for steady, strong growth. Now, if your plants are already under attack from pests like aphids or caterpillars, try this simple spray. Take 1 spoon of turmeric powder and mix it into 1 liter of water. Then add a small cup of milk. This helps the mixture stick better to the leaves and also supports leaf health. Mix well, pour into a spray bottle, and spray gently over the leaves, especially underneath, where pests like to hide. Use this spray every 7 to 10 days, and you'll start seeing cleaner leaves and stronger plants. Try this simple turmeric trick and watch your garden grow healthier, naturally